Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to study momentum with physics with Musa. Today momentum is an important topic of physics and momentum is having the symbol of capital P. Momentum is a vector quantity firstly and it is having a unit of kg meter per second. Definition for momentum is it is the product of mass and velocity. It is a product of mass and velocity. Formula for momentum P, which is denoted by P, symbol is having P, is mass and to velocity. Products means multiplication and mass over here and velocity over here. P is equals. It is also written P is equals to mv. Here is an example of momentum. Mass of the car is 10 kg. Velocity is 3 meter per second. You can see due right. Here are the directions. Momentum P is 10 kg mass and 3 meter per second velocity, which are going to be multiplied, which gives us 30 kg meter per second due right. Writing the direction is important as the momentum is a vector quantity and kg meter per second is the unit of momentum. Today we will study important points for momentum such as objects which are at rest, which means that the velocity of the object is zero. Their momentum is always zero. If any object is at rest, its momentum would be zero. As if this car would be at 0 meter per second, it would be at rest, and if we would multiply 10 with 0, it would give us 0. So there would be no momentum for the car which is at rest. Now the second thing is momentum is associated with moving object only. Only moving object are having momentum. This is and these 2 points should be remembered by you. What is impulse? Impulse is the change in momentum represented by delta p. This is delta and this is p. Delta p is equals to final momentum subtracted by initial momentum. If a car was having final momentum of 110 kg meter per second and 5 seconds before it was having a momentum of 90 kg meter per second kg meter per second, then the delta p would be 20 kg meter per second. This is delta p, change in momentum. Here is an example for impulse. Here this is the car which is having the mass of 5 kg and velocity of 5 meter per second, and after some time it is having velocity of 20 meter per second. The initial momentum is represented by mu, m into u, m into u. U is initial velocity. U is the initial velocity. This is u. This is v. Final momentum is m dot v dot means multiplication is equals to mass into v. V is final velocity. Impulse is equals to delta p. Delta p is equals to p final minus p initial. Delta p is equals to 20 into 5. 20 is the final velocity into mass subtracted by final initial velocity into mass, which is 100. 20 into 5 is 100 and 5 into 5 is 25. 100 minus 5 is 75 kg meter per second. Here we can get impulse, which is 75 kg meter per second. Force is delta p over t, impulse over time. Force is the rate of change of momentum. It is rate of change of momentum. Rate of change of momentum says that rate of change momentum is change of momentum is delta p. We have studied before, and t is equals to time, rate of change, as it shows. Here is a point A. Here is point B. For example, this is I am giving you example. Here is a car which is traveling at 10 meter per second due right, having a mass of 50 kg at point A, and at point B, after 50 seconds, the car is at 20 meter per second. With this, the car is having the weight of 50 kg, the same. The time is point A to point B is 50 seconds. Find force. Force is equal to delta P. Delta P is equals to 20 into 50. Mass of the car into velocity of the car, which gives us initial momentum, and then which gives us final momentum, and then the initial momentum 10 meter per second into 50 kg, which gives us 500. 1000 subtracted by 500 is equals to 500 kg meter per second. Delta P is 500 kg meter per second. So force is equals to delta P over T. Delta P over T, here is the formula written. Force is equals to delta P. What was delta P? Delta P was 500 kg meter per second and time was 50 seconds. we will divide 500 over 50, which gives us 0 would cut, and 5 ones are and 5 tens are, which would give us 10 newtons. The force applied is 10 newtons. Today we have studied momentum, which is an important topic of physics in O levels. If you got any problem, you can comment me in the comment section. Please subscribe and like the channel and comment how would you like the video.